Okay, last one for now. Finding derivative. Call it finding the derivative. Call it f prime of x. Call it y prime. Call it dy dx. It's all the same. So, y prime. Oh no, looks like we've got a product. We've got to use that product rule. Okay, just to refresh, that would be a times the derivative of b plus b times the derivative of a. You know me, I find it helpful to say that a is x, the first factor, and that a prime is going to be the derivative of x. That b will be the second factor, the tangent, and that the derivative of b, well, that's going to be secant squared of x. Okay, now I can plug in using this product rule, all for the beginning. Then we'll think about the end. So for a, we'll say that's x times the derivative of b. The derivative of tangent is secant squared. Add to that, well, b as it is, tangent of x, times the derivative of a times 1. Well, we know how that works out. Now then, the derivative of secant, and it's a negative secant. The derivative of secant is secant tangent. So that would be the opposite of secant tangent. Okay, well, let's see what we can do. This is x secant squared x plus tangent x minus secant x tangent x. And while I could make a little substitution, in place of secant squared x, I could put 1 plus the tangent squared of x. I could even distribute this x. But you know, it's not really going to make this thing much simpler or smaller. It would just be more, which is not always good. So this is our derivative, the end.